Chartered certified accountants can help small or big businesses alike regardless of the complexity of their business. They can assist with startup business, budgeting, cash flow, corporate finance, tax solutions, revenue and customs enquiries, business recovery, insolvency. Most accounting firms have highly qualified accountants for your unique business needs. They play a strategic role in business by helping to maximize profitability. Accountants are uniquely qualified to help you in whatever complexity your business may have. They can be an essential part of any business. It is common knowledge that the country and the world as a whole have been suffering from economic slowdown in recent years, and many businesses have been affected in one way or another by the difficult economic conditions. An accountant who has experience in this area can help immensely in many ways to recover a ailing business. They are experts in all fields of accounting. They provide business services for all types of business enterprises across the UK. For more details, please click the link in the description.